Hello guys, Lux Trigo here. Today we are here on the usual spot where where I teach them how to drive. It's what time is it? It's 9 o'clock, 10 past 9 specifically, and as you can see, it's still a bit bright, so it should be good. Our goal for this this lesson is for them to get to use the second gear. Oh yeah, Henry's here and there's Raven at the back as well. So these are my students today, so I'll do my best to teach them. Yeah, try lifting it. He's trying to refresh his mind, guys, because it's been like months. They passed their theory test now. All they have to do is just take the final test and they could drive on the road. But first they have to learn. Obviously. Just maintain the biting point. Oh no. There we go. Okay. Go, go, go. A bit speed. Not too much speed actually. Try to straighten up. Stop. Don't. Wait. Hey. Stop. Don't use the handbrake. Stop.
As I said, I forgot everything.
Raise the handbrake first, or else we're gonna roll. If we were in an uphill or
like
downhill.
barrel roll.
So do it again. Come on.
Oh my god, what the hell just happened?
Try to remember everything. No.
Yikes.
Put it back to neutral. So we just stalled there, guys. He's trying to remember everything. The biting point again to go. Movement. Just try to smooth it out. Not like that, Henry. Smooth it out. Return. We're attempting to put some gas in, guys, and Henry's not comfortable doing it.
Back to square one.
We could just gas.
No!
Oh my god. We're not getting anywhere in this case.
Oh my god.
He's afraid.
I can't be bothered.
Wow, that's so pretty.
Where?
You shouldn't be distracted.
Okay,
Dang
let's
it.
stop. Park here, and it's gonna be Raven's turn. Okay,
Park
there.
it right.
You should be fine here. And then what's next?
Handbrake. And voila.
I can't believe this. We're like back in square one.
That was a few months
Oh,
ago.
no.
I'm gonna need to go back to square one too.
But I think you remember it, Raven.
No, I don't.
Okay, go. It's nearly 10 o'clock.
To adjust my seat.
Okay.
Nope, still.
But yeah, there's the biting point. There we go. Okay, try putting some gas. Oh, this is not straight, Henry's fault.
Oh my god.
Put some gas. Some gas. Put some gas, Raven. Straighten up. Oh.
Oh, come on.
Yeah.
What the heck was there?
It's because you
I
lifted.
tried to put gas.
No. Raise it. Raise it. Constant gas. Like constant gas. Gas, gas.
I feel in danger.
Oh, oh, well done. Ah, Henry got beaten. Try to
This is not a competition.
break. Up, up. Wow, we're trying to stop.
Yeah.
Up.
Oh, come on. How am I supposed to stop?
Can you constant gas, Raven? Constant. Keep it there. There. Constant. There, you got it.
Shut the hell up, Henry.
Put some gas.
Shut up. I'm gonna crash. Okay, gear 2.
No, not yet. You're not. You just refreshed. Tell me when you're ready. Like, try not to crash into those air conditioning
I don't
vents.
care.
Let's go at 35 so that we can get the soft drinks.
Henry got beaten.
This is not a competition.
Like, I mean the push to reverse.
I see in movies though, they use the gas.
I'm with the second gear, so I can't trust you right now.
Why?
You want me to show you first?
No, it's fine.
I'll show you first.
No, it's fine. Just go. We don't have time. I wanna eat.
Feel the shaking. Put the clutch in.
Oh, come on!
You can't even get it.
Let me just try again. Okay.
Danger.
Gas, gas. Uy, uy! What the hell?
You said that I should press on
Second
the.
gear! It's down there!
Oh, I thought.
You're going to fifth gear, my lord! Are you, what, are you in a motorway or something? Do you kind of get it?
Yeah.
Yeah. But I'm worried about Henry though.
Oh, Henry.
So guys, we're going to the big spot on the island there at the back tomorrow, so see you then.
Many hours later.
Hello guys, Lux Trigo here, and it's morning here and it's quite nice and sunny outside, so we decided to go, you know, I decided to teach them some driving skills. So we're going to Walney Island, which is an island like right next door to our town. Well, it's still a part of our town, and there's a huge parking lot there that we could utilize to, you know, go around so that they could roam freely. But hopefully there's no one else there. But last time we went there were like caravans and everything, so fingers crossed, hopefully it's not the case this time. So hopefully you guys enjoy the video and see you then. Look at that, so nice. Hello Frodo, hello. It's 7:32, no, 35. Hey, Nick.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, this is it guys. It doesn't seem empty, but yeah, we'll use that part there, the corner. Okay guys, I have to put this on the car because there are learners, so you have to put this on. Henry's turn first. Hey Henry, wake up! Hey, tuyok. No, turn more or else you're gonna hit that car there. Okay, okay. Take that now. Warm up patani. That place looks nice over there. That is a golf course, by the way, guys. I told him that, don't be afraid of the gun, and then he's like yeah guys, you were rushed, like we just rushed because I just told him not to be afraid of the gas, and he just pressed the bloody gas so hard. Oh my god.
Guys, Henry.
Are you ready to come to stop? Pwede to. As you go around. Hey gas. Raise the clutch, and put the gas. Put gas now. No, you didn't. Gas now, gas. Go. Okay, remember right leg gas and brake. Left leg clutch. Not too fast. But put some gas, constant gas. Not too much gas though. How are you feeling after that incident?
Terrifying.
There were no cars. Brake. Straighten up, brake. It's too fast. Okay, go around. It's too fast. I'm so nervous about you guys. Don't put gas now. Don't put too much gas lagi. Okay guys, we'll try to get some second gear or something, then boost the gear. Turn, and gas. Then second gear when you reach. Go, second gear now. Well done.
Second gear.
Yeah. Then brake. Then first gear. When you right, you stall. So when you want to stop, and slow down, go to first gear.
Oh.
Okay, constant check on your mirrors, okay, or your surroundings. So what we're trying to do here, guys, is we're gonna do number 8, sort of. It's a good practice for the steering. That's what I remember from my first lesson back in 2016. You could, I guess you could put a bit of gas, just a bit, not too much. That's too much, Raven. Too much. That's not number 8 anymore.
This is.
It's not.
No, it's not. Do you know what a number 8
I even
is?
forgot what number 8 is.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna end the video there now. That's it for today. I guess you.
Don't film me.
She's embarrassed. So Henry, what do you think about your progress? Yeah, he drifted. He drifted. Still, I would say it's still a progress. So yeah. So I'm gonna end the video there now. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you guys later. Bye.